Hi everybody. This class is a video class on thesis or dissertation writing. The module is an introductory course on thesis or dissertation writing. The course is entitled How to Create a New Research Topic or Title for a Thesis or a Dissertation. The epidemiologist group gives it. The group includes experts in epidemiology, biostatistics, and public health. In this module, we will first differentiate the area of concentration of a research and specific research topic. The area of concentration is the broad general area expected to investigate. It is an overall idea or concept from which many problems may be delineated. It is like a specialty in medicine. For example, selecting to be ophthalmologist, pediatrician, surgery is a broad area our careers may take in the future. In contrast, a specific research topic is a situation or circumstance that requires a solution to be described, explained, or predicted. It is an unsatisfactory situation that it wants you to confront. This specific topic is considered the research we may use for our dissertation. How do we choose an area of concentration? The first step in designing any research study is deciding what to study area of concentration. Researchers choose the topics that they learn in a variety of ways. Area of concentration could be selected based on the area of interest, specialty, and area of solving a societal problem. An area of concentration is designated as an area of specialty considering a future career. The specialty area is visualized from a different angle to be an area of concentration. One area of concentration is chosen. Better to stick to the area as a career. Studying only in an area of concentration can make an individual knowledgeable, skilled, and expertise in the area. Specific research topic. The specific research topic is the problem and what we want to do. It has two parts. The first is by describing the problem, not the success. The problem can be the disease itself, its known determinant, or its consequence. For example, malaria, HIV, tuberculosis, or bednet not utilizing, multiple partners, etc. The second is what we want to do on the problem. It may include the description, cause, or determinant we want to investigate, for example, the magnitude, the difference between groups, exposure to X affecting outcome Y, etc. 1. The description of the problem is the situation or circumstance that requires a solution to be described, explained, or predicted. A problem can be taken from its cause, major determinants, morbidity, consequences, and survival. It can also be taken from the problem's prevention, therapeutic, or rehabilitation nature. The topic is selected by categorizing the different issues within the area of concentration. Example: COVID-19 as a topic problem. We may take COVID-19 as a problem, or we may take determinants of COVID-19 like more affected people, therapeutic related, vaccines, medications. Then we have to take problem form. For example, if we take a vaccine against COVID-19, we have to take why people are not taking vaccine. 2. Once we determine the problem, taken from area of concentration, the second description will be what we want to do on the problem. Here we may want to do a descriptive question, describe the problem in the population. The problem could be describing the problem descriptive. Or we may wish to assess a relationship question. We can examine the problem's determinant or consequence analytic. Identifying a topic. When descriptive question, describe the problem, it is not much a problem. However, if analytic question, we need at least two conditions. 1. Searching the problem or the issue, which is taken from the area of the concentration and go deep into a problem, and 2. Searching for possible cause or determinant. The problem is taken from concentration, while the possible cause or determinant is through critical thinking. The possible cause or determinant is found through simple observation. It can also come through brainstormed among experts in the area, and experts can sit together and discuss using a conceptual framework of assessment. Conceptual framework assessment. Conceptual framework assessment is a figure that shows pathways of possible causes and effects of a problem, From concentration area. The problem is the center of the conceptual framework assessment. All possible causes will be on the right side while the effect of the problem on the left. Arrows, lines, are drawn to show their relationship within and between the events, and arrows could be unidirectional or bidirectional. Brainstorming a conceptual framework assessment. The problem or the outcome will be put at the center, and experts are made to include all possible causes and will be written on the left. Continue until all possible causes are finished. Continue to add possible consequences of the problem, and continue until no more are found. Then put lines based on the likely root of the relationship. Once the conceptual framework assessment is completed, the next step is assessing each possible cause against the outcome. From the literature review, assess each relationship within the conceptual framework assessment critically, for whether the relationship is known or not known. For the presence of controversy, again from literature or expert knowledge, for measurability of the event, assessing for its existence or occurrence in the population, and its scientific plausibility chemical reactional changes. When we go one by one. 1. Assessing each variable against the outcome, whether it is known or not known. Here relationship between exposure and outcome should be evaluated from the literature. It is by putting the two terms of conditions in Google search. If the relationship is present, assess by type of population, place of research, number of literature, etc. Suppose the relationship is widely described. There is no need of studying it. If it is partly reviewed, we can check the connection by changing the study population, design, or measurement. 2. Presence of controversy. Controversy means the presence of a bidirectional relationship, for example, an association in some studies and the absence of association in the other few studies. There is controversy if the relationship has two directions more than two or more in each direction. If there is controversy, we can study the relationship and provide evidence through a change of method, better. This is an excellent opportunity to assess the relationship. 3. Measurement. It is an essential part of quantifying a relationship. Some variables are totally difficult to measure, such as culture, nutrition, anxiety hassles, etc. If difficult to measure appropriately, it would be difficult to do the research. If an everyday exposure, assess how previous researchers measure it. For assessing for its existence in the population, the exposure should be available in the population that is searched. It would be challenging to study if the exposure is not well found in the study population. For example, looking for malaria in a highland, studying non-endemic conditions. 5. Scientific plausibility. Knowledge of scientific plausibility may be advantageous. It is knowledge of physiological or biochemical changes in the body due to exposure. It assesses possible mechanisms that may increase the development of the hypothesis, including the direction, increment or decrement of hormones or chemicals or physiological conditions. When the problem and the cause or determinant fulfill the above conditions, the topic would be a vital research topic. Here this is the end. If you have questions, comments, or other conditions, you may see our web on the Epidemiologist, mail negsunday@gmail.com, or the Epidemiologist group in Facebook and Telegram. If you like us, click the like and subscribe to us.